All right, what's going on, everybody? We got an interesting one today. It's Circle With Me, Courtney LaPlante's live one-take performance for Spiritbox. This is really cool. Really dig when artists do a one-take deal. Shows that they know what they're doing, they know their part, and they can do exactly what needs to be done once. Saves time, saves money, saves energy, makes everything so much easier when it comes to recording and laying down tracks. One shot, done, perfect. Spiritbox is a really cool band. I'm kind of fresh to them, learning different songs that they've come out with, seeing different things that they do. This is Mad Scientist Musician Channel. We do first time here song analysis, originals, covers, gear reviews, all kinds of different music and recording content. Like that kind of stuff, hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, like button down below, quick click. Comments are always appreciated and encouraged. Got memberships available and the thanks button. Memberships are less than a cup of coffee. I think you're only like $4 a month. Get early access to all the different videos and stuff. Really appreciate the members that we have. Let's get into it.
Cut down the altar!
Wow, starting out with crazy harsh vocals. Her vocals are absolutely phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. Start out the song with some major harsh vocals, down-tuned guitars, low chugs, cool riffs. It is a 4/4 time setting, so standard time setting. Really down-tuned guitars. Like how it just kind of slows right down. She gets into some really clean vocals, gives a nice mellowness to the song. Starts out hard and heavy, gets your attention, and then slows down. Good song format.
All the colors change, hands are frozen, feel no pain. I just wanna hold the flame, negative feedback loop. I'm spinning out of control. The sickly sweetness is crushing.
Got a lot of air in her voice when she's doing the cleans and the lower sound. She's not pushing a lot. She's moving a lot of air, but she's not making a lot of sound. She's not pushing really hard. Definitely going to be bracing for when she does really get into the hard pushes in the vocals.
Be yours.
I was really expecting that to really break into something heavier, but okay, we will definitely take a more mellow. I'm wondering if this is overall a more mellow song and not so hard and heavy, more of a ballad type. Very pretty song. Very interesting, very interesting. The bass is running the rhythm. Quick finger picking, steady tempo, keeping up with the drums, which is keeping a decently fast pace. The guitars have fallen back and they're just hitting single notes in the higher frequencies to kind of accent and add to the vocals. When you start mixing instruments in with the vocals, you can actually start to highlight and accent certain frequencies in the vocals by using the instruments to help push that certain frequency in that area.
Birds of prey invade my thoughts. They promise I won't feel the pain. Not strong enough to hold the flame. Negative feedback loop. I'm spinning out of control. The sickly sweetness.
Drums are putting a lot of ghost notes in, not a lot of hard rim shots. Very, very slow pace, not a lot of double bass, not a lot of flash in this song. Very mellow. Like I said earlier, this is very much like a ballad almost. Like Stevie Wonder. There's not a lot of energy in this song. It's very slow, kind of dragging you along. It's not pushing you along. It's kind of dragging you along. It's got an emotional appeal to it over a chaotic, fast, just hard, heavy song. The emotional pull and draw is what's keeping you into the song and waiting, and what's making you wait for and anticipate what's coming next. Is it gonna be hard? Is it gonna be heavy? Do we know?
I have the power of a dying sun. I climb the altar and I climb.
Yes. Beautiful. I really want to figure out how the guitars are making those high-pitched squeals. I know it's way up the neck and you're playing with a harmonic almost, but there's got to be a special name for it. And when I figure it out, it will be used a lot because that technique is used in a lot of songs. The more educated I get on the song and music aspects of things, the more we can talk about it. Flawless transition. Oh, beautiful. A little bit of a harsh scream on that one. Just a little bit of harsh. It's not easy to do. And when you're flipping back and forth like that, I end up coughing like crazy when I do that. You mess your vocals up big time. Beautiful. That was absolutely awesome. I was not expecting it to be in a ballad format, so it was a lot more emotional than technical, but it had a lot of cool spots in it, cool little aspects. All the mix in its own was well balanced. Pieces needed to be up front and pulled back and pushed off to the side. They were. Bass and the kick drums pretty much leading the song, keeping the rhythm. Drums, a lot of ghost notes, not a lot of hard hits, not a lot of heavy crashes, not a lot of tom fills, just in the pocket, keeping things going. Guitar, really, really neat accents that they were using, coming in, filling in gaps and areas that really needed to higher frequencies. And vocals absolutely on point. A lot more clean than I was expecting, but her harshes are still absolutely amazing. Let me know what you thought about this down in the comments below. Throw a 50 down in the comments. Let me know that you made it to the end. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.